As the world moves online, it can be harder to make long-lasting personal connections to professionals who can help you advance your career. Lucky for you, Okanagan College's Human Resources Management Club has got your back. Here, we'll provide you with some great tips to start building your professional HR network. Welcome to this video information session on building your professional network. In this video, you'll learn why networking is important, human resources related networking opportunities available to you, and our top tips to capitalize on these opportunities. Maybe you've heard phrases like, it's not what you know, it's who you know, or your network is your net worth. But do you think that's all talk from a bunch of extroverts? Let's have a look at the facts to see if they back this up. According to Gina Belli of payscale.com, as many as 85% of jobs are found through networking. This means that if you're networking, you're putting yourself ahead of others for the majority of job opportunities. However, about 41% of workers feel they don't network enough, and 25% of people don't network at all. It's easy for us to make excuses. I've got to focus on my schoolwork. I don't know how to start. Nobody will pay attention to me because I'm a student. Let's change that mindset. Next, we're going to walk you through easy ways to expand your network that will have you on a company's radar in no time. One of the easiest ways to start networking is to find other HR students just like you who are also attending Okanagan College. OC's Human Resources Management Club is the perfect place to start. If you're not already a member, check out our club introduction video for details on how to sign up for free, or click on the link to the Google form in the video description. Next, get yourself signed up as a student member of the Chartered Professionals in Human Resources of British Columbia and Yukon, or CPHR BC and Yukon for short. You'll need to be a member anyway to get your CPHR designation, so why not sign up now? We've created a video detailing the sign-up process, so watch that to get started. Once you're signed up, check out the events that OC's HRM Club and CPHR BC and Yukon run. Our College HR Club runs events each semester that connect you to HR professionals in the community, and you'll get a chance to practice networking with students just like you. These same students will also be looking for jobs when they graduate, and they might just be your ticket to finding great jobs in the future. Ready to take the next step and meet some real HR professionals? CPHR BC and Yukon offers hundreds of events each year, and many of them are free. OC's HRM Club will offer some recommendations for CPHR BC and Yukon events, sessions, and presentations to attend throughout the fall and winter terms. Be sure to watch for our club emails and see the link in the description for our website's calendar of events. As you gain confidence and become comfortable with your new professional network, we've got 2 great tips for further increasing the power of those connections. First, be an active participant at a CPHR BC and Yukon event. As you're attending this event, think of one question about the presentation and ask it. This will help professionals recognize your name and start to put you in their sights. Not comfortable with that just yet? No problem. Instead, email the presenter or one of the participants you connected with during the session and arrange to connect with them again to talk about their careers. You'll be blown away by how easy it becomes to start making these conversations a natural part of your week. Both CPHR BC and Yukon and Okanagan College's Human Resources Club have many great events each semester to help you stay involved. Be sure to check out our videos on this year's major events for OC's HRM Club and major events for CPHR BC and Yukon for more details. Remember, the more you get involved, the easier it becomes to build your network and the easier it will be to land that dream job in HR. Thanks for listening to this information about building your professional HR network. We look forward to seeing you soon.